Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this quick and easy, irresistible Cajun shrimp scampi recipe. Absolutely to die for. Can be done in less than 30 minutes. I can't wait to show you guys how it's done. But before we begin, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up for me and let's get started. To begin, I am going to show you guys the ingredients because last time I showed you guys the ingredients on the last video, you really enjoyed it. So here's what we're using. We are using 1 pound of large and deveined shrimp. We have our Island Vibe Creole seasoning. This will be out very soon. Also, I have some minced garlic. We have salt and some chicken bouillon for the pasta. Also, you're gonna need half a lemon juice, okay? You're also gonna need some wine. You can use regular wine or you can use cooking wine, okay? This right here is cooking wine. And you will need some Parmesan cheese, of course, some fresh parsley chopped up. I am using 1 stick of unsalted butter, and also the pasta we'll be using. There it is, linguine. While the pasta is cooking, we are going to be working on the shrimp. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on here. Mix it up just like this. And then we're going to season it with our Island Vibe Creole seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit of this, goes a long way, so just a little bit. Mix it up. Just like that. A little bit more. And that is it. We are ready to make our shrimp scampi. All right, guys, our pasta is nice and al dente, as you guys can see. This took me a little bit longer because it's a little bit thicker, okay? This kind of pasta, linguine. It took me about 12 minutes. So all done. I'm going to set it aside for now. I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to add 1 stick of butter. This is unsalted butter. Going to allow that to melt. Once my butter is nice and melted, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Going to fry that for about 10 seconds. Then we're going in with the shrimp. Add the shrimp in just like this. You can either season the shrimp prior or you can season it now while it's in the pot right here. Just cook that for a little bit. Now I'm going to squeeze in my lemon juice right on. Smelling amazing in here. Let's give these a flip. As y'all can see, it's looking pink already. It's smelling amazing in here. The garlic and the seasoning, the Island Vibe Creole seasoning. I can smell all the herbs, especially the thyme. Flip them over just like this. Now I have my cooking wine that I'm going to add in. Ooh, just like this. And also I have a little bit of that Island Vibe Creole seasoning that I'm going to sprinkle on here with some fresh parsley. Ooh, looking good, looking good. And also, we're going to add the Parmesan cheese right now. Give it a quick mix. And now you can taste it, or if you need any more salt. Tastes so good. All right, now I'm ready to add in my pasta. Just like this. Oh, it looks so good. Just give it a mix, just like so. And mix all this together. I'm going to add a little bit more of that Parmesan cheese on here. Just more Parmesan, why not? And a little bit more of that parsley. Just like this. Give it a mix. It's saucy, it's smelling amazing. And there you have it. A nice, beautiful, delicious shrimp scampi. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, Cajun shrimp scampi. Perfect. The aroma in here is making my mouth water, so let's give it a try. All right, guys, cheers. Wow. How can something so easy be so flavorful? This recipe is definitely a must try. It's so flavorful. Usually shrimp scampi is good, but once you add that Cajun Creole seasoning in there, chef kiss. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Also, leave a comment down below. What do you think about this recipe? Are you going to try it? Maybe with shrimp or lobster. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.